Welcome guys. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can reverse a number by using recursion in Java. In the last tutorial, we had learned how to reverse a number by using algorithmic approach. Also, we had learned how to reverse a number by using inbuilt methods of string buffer and string builder class. Let's start the tutorial guys. First, we will create a new package inside our project. Create a new package named as com.recursive reverse number. So inside this package we simply create a new class named as reverse number using recursion. So we also required a main method in this class, so we choose the main method checkbox here and simply click on finish. So it will create a new class for you. So in this class, first we will take an input from the user by using scanner class. So simply we create a scanner class object, new scanner system.in. So after creating this scanner class object, simply print this statement, print a line and write a message, please enter a number for reverse. And here we take a integer number from the user. Scanner.next int. So after taking a input from the user, we will declare a number as int reverse equal to 0, and after that we simply call a recursive method for reversing a number, calculate reverse. So calculate reverse is nothing but our function which we called recursively to calculate the reverse of a number. So we will pass a two parameter to it. First one is our number and second one is the reverse parameter, which is simply first time is a 0, and after that we print a number. Reverse number is simply we print the reverse. So here we write our method private static int reverse, and simply we take the two parameter inside this method. First one is the number and second one is the reverse number. So simply we put a if condition inside this method. If number is greater than 0, then we only call the recursive function again, return calculate so simply we copy the name from here and paste it here. So here we simply new number is the number divided by 10 and reverse is the reverse into 10 plus number percent 10. So percent is nothing but a modulo operator which simply returns the remainder of the number after dividing it by 10. And if number is not greater than 0, then we simply return the reverse. Return reverse. So after all, we simply close this scanner class object. So this is our code. So let's run the code and check the output. So after running, we simply add the number as 1 2 3 4 5, and you can simply see that reverse is 5 4 3 2 1. So simply we test our code by entering one or two more numbers. So we enter 36537 number, and reverse of this number is 73563. So we will test it once again for more clarification. We entered a number as 34527, and reverse of number is 72543. So this is the recursive approach to reverse a number. So that's all for this tutorial. Hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can't miss any further updates. Thank you guys for watching.